Back again with another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you you know a little different, and in this video we're going to do the question 4 of this assignment. And the problem reads as follows: write a problem statement on your own on any real life situation or problem for any domain of your interest, which can be framed and solved with a computer program using Python language, and you have to mention the mathematical formula if I need to solve that problem. And there's a second part of the question reads as follows: write the program to train the Python problem in Python mentioned in answer form with proper use of variables, expressions, conditional statement, and of course we'll be using functions. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into coding. So first thing first, all we have to do, I'm going to explain what I'm gonna do in this video. Uh, I'm going to uh, uh, make a program which would tell me whether the given sites, like for example 3, 4, 5, these are the user defined information. Like I'm going to get the input from the user, and the user is going to give me the sides of the triangle, for example b1, b2, b3. If the sides if the sides uh, would meet the criteria of being a triangle, then it's gonna say it's uh, it is possible. And if it's possible, if it's a triangle, then it's going to give me the area of the triangle. And let's get into the coding. Okay, so I'm going to define a function called, let's call it call. Okay, so I'm going to pass the parameters a1, a2, a3, as we would have you know 3 parameters, as the user is going to pass on 3 arguments, so we need to find 3 parameters as follows. So I'm going to write the mathematical formula, that is Heron's formula. Of course you will be using Heron's formula. What else could you use? Because it comes in handy, because it at the same time you'll be able to find the area of the triangle if it meets the criteria of being a triangle. Because and also it can be used to satisfy, or can be used to detect whether the given sides would make a triangle possible or not. So that's a good way. So here's the formula. You can uh, Google about this formula, or you can, or if you have a book like I do, then it's much better, because you have a deep understanding of the whatever things you're doing. And this is going to be the formula. Wait, guys, a2 and multiplied by s minus a3. Okay, that's it. First thing right at the back, what we need to do is I'm going to import the math function. Okay, import math. That's what I need to do, because it is not going to understand, and we have to try. So first thing what I need to do is import math. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it boats it. Let me see, where's there. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep on trying, like try b. There's a variable called b. I'm gonna set it equal to mod dot sqrt, that is square root of q. And if b, just right below it, I'm gonna type in if b equals 0. If the square root comes out to be 0, then of course it's not a triangle. the given sides are not a triangle. So that's one criteria to find whether it is a triangle or not. Triangle not possible. And the another method is uh else 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 return B. And in the another statement, in except portion, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to write a value error. Even in that case, it's not a triangle because it's going to give me, you know, in imaginary area in imaginary term, which is also the case that triangle is not possible. Okay, wait a second. Triangle is not possible. You can do the math, guys. Come on, guys. You are so intelligent. You just make me look dumb. I'm not saying. You can do the math. So I'm going to define a variable called d, and this is going to be the integer, and it's going to be input from a user. So enter. I'm going to decorate this coding because I want to do as many times as I want to find the area of the triangle. Like enter how many times you want to calculate area of triangle. And once I am done with calculating how many number of times do I want to calculate the area, then I'm gonna set range 0, that is de, because that is the number of times I want to calculate the area of the triangle. And I'm gonna set a1, that is my variable a1, eval input, then this is my string value, enter side. Okay, side 1. Going to give a space. That's good. So I'm gonna just copy and paste, and then I'm going to edit some values. Here we go. Copy and paste. Copy. Okay. Copy and paste. So a1, a2, over here we are going to edit this, and this. This is what we're gonna get. And I'm going to call this function out in front. So what I need to do is I'm going to call this function value equals call, that is user defined arguments a1, a2, a3, and that's it. And I'm going to print. I forgot to print the value, otherwise I would not have gotten any result out of this program. It would just make this program useless. Let's try this, if it works or not, and let's try. So she's going to yeah, how many times you want to calculate the area of triangle. Let's say I want to calculate the area of triangle 3 times. Enter the side 1. For example, I want to calculate the area of equilateral triangle having side 1, 1, 1. That's gonna give me, that is basically root 3 by 4, you know root 3 by 4 comes out to be 0.43301. And if I want to calculate, for example, 3 7 8, and now it's a triangle, that's why it's calculating the area right away, so it doesn't do the maths. Like if I want to calculate 89, the sides I gave 89, other is 4 and other is 9, then it's gonna say me triangle is not possible because the given sides would not make triangle, because it is either not satisfying uh, this condition value error, because square root of the negative integer is just a value error in this math library, and or it is either going to be this 0, then in either case it's going the result is going to be this. Okay, triangle is not possible. So I hope I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down comment comment down if you have any doubts regarding this program, and hope to catch you in the next one. And that was it.